Here's how to use Hotjar Session Replay to see exactly why visitors leave your site without converting. Just go to your Hotjar dashboard and hit recordings on the left side. All your visitor sessions show up there with basic info like what device they used and how long they stuck around. Click any recording and it plays like a regular video. You can pause it, speed it up, whatever you need. I usually slow things down when something weird happens because the details matter. What you're really looking for are the frustrating moments. When someone's mouse just sits there hovering, they're probably confused about something. Rage clicking is even more obvious. Rapid-fire clicks on the same spot means something's broken or not working how they expected. People scroll up and down a lot when they can't find what they need. And form abandonment hits different when you actually watch it happen. They start typing, then just leave. The filters help you dig into specific problems. Page filtering shows you trouble spots on individual pages. Device filtering reveals why mobile users might be struggling more than desktop users. Session length filtering lets you focus on people who actually spent time trying to use your site instead of quick bounce visitors. That rage click filter though, use it. It shows you exactly where people get frustrated fast. When you find issues, screenshot them or grab the recording link to show your team. One person having trouble might be random, but when multiple recordings show the same problem, you know what needs fixing.